Enrolling in Wells Fargo online banking is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your accounts securely and efficiently from the comfort of your own home. To get started, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Enroll in Online Banking link. You will be asked to provide your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number in your Wells Fargo account or debit card number. This information is required to verify your identity and link your accounts to your online banking profile. Once you have entered the required information, you will be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and secure username and password that you will remember, and make sure to keep them confidential to protect your account information. After creating your username and password, you will be prompted to set up security questions and answers. These questions will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different location. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you will have access to a range of online banking services, including account balances, transaction history, and bill pay. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your finances. To ensure the security of your online banking account, make sure to use a secure internet connection. Keep your antivirus software up to date, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enroll in Wells Fargo online banking and start managing your accounts with ease and confidence. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your financial information.